Had to get it checked out for a concussion. A freshman.
Who's that?
Anderson? Steve Anderson?
No, she's not getting married. She was just talking about it.
Yeah, already. He's ready to propose. I'm not dead, so she said, you gotta come back. The other one's Blackfoot.
You're okay getting cruisers that close to
It comes with like 6 different things that you might need for babies. 2 different pacifier sets, bibs, these swaddles, the mobile thing, or the You did?
Yay!
Yeah, because eventually we asked me for a remote. And I get to work with my own clients. Leadership is just like, I told them, like, it was so hard to throw the group that much. And like, then my hands is in the,
Hey, what are you doing?
1-year-olds that come and go. Yeah. And that lead leadership, you know, and then I go everything in my courage. Yeah. And I'm like, I'm 6 months ready for what I'm doing. It's building spread. And the fact that this person is getting paid more, we want to, and then eventually we're going to have to Alright, so we'll be back.
Why did he leave? He's lucky she had a place to go. He's lucky she...
But then you like talk to people that know, see that, like it wasn't, like when I had don't get too excited.
Yeah, right. I'll go right downstairs.
She's going tomorrow.
Yeah.
Smells good in here.
Smells good in here.
We have a hall. Little pairs of shoes. For you? No. Everyone. Boxes and her mom ran them off.
I've been trying to get away from her for years.
Or I can't believe you were. Yeah, and then that you hurt me all this time.
Look, right off the bone. Look at that.
You put it on top. Huh?
Right off the bone. Clean. Clean.
Oh yeah. Well, it's not. He's not.
Look at that clean.
50 something back. 60 something. I said, how long you been working here? Brand new.
What? Which one though?
Gonna eat it?
Got skin.
Yeah, and chairs and
Full
tables.
plate.
They didn't keep them nice. One time Becky,
What are my calories for the week?